The Illinois Department of Public Health is expanding their list of high-risk zip codes for lead exposure. About 150 new zip codes have been added to the list, and Adams County is not immune. WGEM's Claire Edlin spoke with health officials today. So, Claire, what does this mean for Adams County residents?
Daniel, health officials are telling me several Adams County zip codes are now at high risk for lead exposure. That includes our most populated one here in Quincy. Now they're asking you to get your children tested since they are at the greatest risk for lead absorption.
Adults can get tested if they want to, but they are really, especially those that work around lead or know that they live in a home that was built before 1978. But mostly we push for children.
Local health officials are pushing for children, infants, pregnant women, or women who are breastfeeding to go to their local doctor or health department to get tested for lead exposure.
A lot of times they won't show symptoms right away. That's why testing is so important.
Lead poisoning symptoms are primarily abdominal, and over time it can cause brain damage.
Causes developmental delays, academic problems, behavior problems, and other health problems. But once they have any kind of damage that the lead causes, it's non-reversible.
If your home was built before the 80s, be on the lookout for chipped paint, which may contain lead and manifest into dust particles in the air. Now, to avoid any sort of ingestion, health officials are recommending that you regularly clean your home with a wet cloth. Something the city has been working on by requirement to remove these lead lines from people's homes, and little by little they've been going around different homes replacing these with copper and such.
That's correct. So whenever we do a new water main project, we're working on a street. If there's lead lines there, we will replace them.
Jeffrey Conti with Quincy Public Works says they have a 20-year plan to remove lead service lines. Conti says they've also been testing the city's water.
Because historically our lead levels have been low. We just completed testing last year. Results were again very low. I'm sure that when the department came up with its risk, it was looking not so much at the results of the water treatment facility testing, but looking at the age of the buildings.
The Adams County Health Department is offering free testing for children and infants that you can walk in without an appointment Monday through Friday from 8 a.m. until 4:30 p.m. Daniel.
All right. Thank you, Claire. And health officials say if your child does test positive for excess lead, there will be a required home inspection to determine the source.